Hi everyone, Andrew your Stuttering Tech here, and today is the full review of the WKing T9 portable Bluetooth speaker. This video is in response to the questions you guys have in the comments, and the review I did on this speaker. I left some key features and specifications that you guys want to know. I was so excited. I just got the speaker and I just went ahead and just give my I'll count that video as my first impressions. This is a really good speaker and I don't think I did it justice. So in this video, I will go over all of those concerns you have, and some of you leave me links to go to your porn sites. Now let's start with the specifications. This speaker has Bluetooth 5.0, which was a concern someone left in the comment. They want to know what version of Bluetooth this has. So it's Bluetooth 5.0 with a wireless range of 33 feet. It has USB-A, TF card reader, and auxiliary input. It charges via USB-C. It has 105 decibels of stereo sound. It has two 4-inch woofers, which I don't know whether you can see that. And it has two 1.2-inch tweeters on the sides. It also has a internal 12,000 milliamp hour battery with up to 24 hours of playtime. It has wireless stereo pairing, so you can connect two of these together to have wireless stereo sound. And you also have indoor outdoor modes. So basically in indoor you want to turn on that indoor mode, which will increase that bass and have it so you can get more deeper, richer bass. And then when you're outside you have the more clear sound. But I think you could use any mode you want whether you're inside or outside. It has mixed color LED lights. It has a flexible removable a handle, so it can move in different directions and you can take it off if you choose to. I don't know why you would want to take it off, but they made it removable if you want to take this off. Things that it doesn't have: no waterproofing, so you cannot take this to the pool. You cannot get this thing wet in the rain because there's no waterproofing. Of course, I'll show you in the back because there is no sealing on the inputs that's in the back, which is the USB-A, the TF card, and the auxiliary input. Now, there's one thing that I forgot to mention just now is that this can also be used via the USB-A port. It can be used to charge your phone or your wireless or your device because it can be used as a power bank. There's no app, so there's no app control for this speaker. I was also asked, is this speaker better than the Soundcore Trans? Now, I've only had a few Bluetooth speakers. I've had the little mini speakers like the Unz Angle 3. I've had which I've done a review on. I've had the main Lord, which is another Bluetooth speaker that I've had, that I also did a review on. But the speaker that I've had the longest, and this is my first Bluetooth speaker that I remember ever owning, is the Sony, I believe it's the XB7. If I'm saying the name, I'll look up the exact name and put it on the bottom of the screen. But it's a Bluetooth speaker that I've had for years, and it's Bluetooth, but it needs constant power. There's no built-in battery. Even on the description, it did say internal battery. There's none. They're both 80-watt speakers, so the specifications are almost the same. But this on paper, this is said to be louder. The Soundcore Trans is 101 decibel of loudness, and this is 105, so not that much. As I mentioned just now in the specification, this has two 4-inch woofers, and the Soundcore Trans has one 5.5 woofer, and I believe it also has only one tweeter according to the description. But the Soundcore also has waterproofing. It has app control. So you have a lot of things that comes with that, with the Soundcore Trance. The Soundcore Trance is also 18 hours of playtime. This is 24, so you have to weigh what you want, which I've never seen anyone party for 24 hours, but it probably does happen. I'm not going to say because this has two woofers that this would sound better, because even though this is 80 watts, my Sony speaker is 60 watts and it's louder and it has deeper bass. The woofers on that speaker, it's about the same size as the Soundcore Trance, but it has two of them, and it also has three tweeters, but only two of them are active at the same time, depending on what position. Like this one, it can stand, my Sony speaker can stand straight up, or it can be laid on the side like how this one can be, because it has some rubber feet on the sides right here, and on the bottom, of course. Sometimes it's not about watts. Like I said, I've owned speakers that's louder than this, less wattage than this, and have deeper bass because of the way it was constructed. So let me go over and talk about the controls on the top. Now, oh yeah, and I mentioned in my this speaker does come with the TRS to TRS cable for the auxiliary inputs, and it also comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So that's all you get inside the box. As I mentioned before, no remote, because someone asked about the remote in the comment. So you have this big wheel here for volume control. So you could turn the volume up and down. And of course you have the power button, mode button. You control your lights. There's only 5 modes, 5 different lighting effects. So that's something else that the Soundcore has over this speaker, is from what I've seen in the features of that speaker. It has a lot more effects, especially with the apps. You can play around with the lighting effects much more. This only has 5 different effects that you can cycle through with this speaker. Over here you have the track back button, the skip track back. You also have a button here to skip forward your track, and the play and pause button, but it just has the play logo. To switch between indoor and outdoor mode, you double click on the play button, and that will switch between indoor and outdoor modes. If you already have this pair to, like say, one device and you want to switch to another device, you just hold on the mode button until there's a LED light right over here, which will start flashing blue, and because there's 3 LED lights here. One will be, the first one is for Bluetooth, whether it's ready to pair or it's already paired, and then the other 3 will be your battery percentage in, I guess, 33% increments. If you want to switch for your ports, whether it's USB or A, TF or whatever, you will just hold and you just press M, and that will switch between your different inputs. So that's basically it. But one thing I noticed when I plugged the auxiliary cable in, it automatically switched from Bluetooth to auxiliary. So I guess it has some kind of detection feature that when you plug certain things in, I guess like a TF card or a USB dongle, it will automatically switch over to that, which I don't really like, because what if you're in the middle of playing a song off of your Bluetooth and you just plug it in there, and you don't actually want to switch over to your TF card or whatever as yet. It'll just automatically switch. But I guess you just don't plug anything in until you're ready to actually use it. I mean, if you're already playing music from, I guess, your favorite streaming service, which I don't see anyone really plugging any USB device in the back of this or a TF card. Everyone is using streaming services these days. So yeah, I don't think it'll be a problem. If you haven't watched the last video, this thing gets really, really loud, and at loud volumes, the bass, if you have it in the indoor mode, the bass doesn't really drop off that much. It doesn't really roll off that much. But yes, this is a very, very good sounding speaker. that's it for this video. I'm Andrew, your Stuttering Tech. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it, and check the link in the description, and I'll leave your comments down below. See you guys in the next video. Peace. My camera's too far.